Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a custom visual. This visual is called the Enlighten Aquarium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the visual. You can import from the app source. You can click on the three dots here and then you can import this visual from app source. So this is what the visual looks like. The symbol or the logo of the visual. This is called the Enlighten Aquarium. I'll click on that and I'll expand this. Now I found this to be really fun and cool, and I was reading about it as to where you can use this visual, as in what exact place would be to use this visual. So what I found that when you have a data set, and usually data sets are not very attractive in the sense that when you want to present something on an Excel file compared to a Power BI dashboard, one would go for the Power BI dashboard. But then you need to make the data set engaging. You need to make it appealing to the audience or to the customer or whoever you're presenting it to. So what Enlighten Aquarium does is it grabs the attention of the person and it enables you to tell a story at a glance. So it is this data-driven story. It enables you to tell data-driven stories driven by data. So let's get straight to it. So I want to put my visualizations. Yes. So there are two fields as you see. We have the fish and the fish size. So let's see what this is. And yes, you're going to see a fish. That is why it's written there, fish. So yeah, I want to see my maybe product. So we've got our products, but then according to what I want to see them according to my profits. And here it is. It is actually an aquarium. It actually looks like an aquarium. And now what the best part is that when you scroll your mouse, your cursor on the fish, on the top of the fish, you see the data labels like you would on any other visual in Power BI. Now you can add another part if you want to. I don't think you can add anything in segments. Okay, so I mean, and the fish, you can keep only one fish at a time. So let's keep my product there. I will see a lot of things. And you see now, according to the profit, the segment has really small fish. You see, really small fish, and it's going up. So let's keep my product back in there. And I want to see my what do you want to see? I want to see my sales with my profit. 1 second, I'll drag my sales in. Okay, so now you see two fishes. You see product according to the sales and the profits, and you have a couple of filtering options available here. You could come down to the formatting option, data scale. You've got the reference. You could give a maximum reference size. So if I keep it it's the 1 lakh, they really increase the size. They're too big for us. So you see, you could keep it at the maximum value, and we've got size based on length and on area. So depends on that. You could have a lot of options there. Series, you want series 1, that is a profit, so you want it to be a triangle fish. You could have it to be a shark as well. So those, you see the sharks there, and you could have the other fish to be a round fish. You see, you could play around with this. Seems nice, not a very serious one though, but when someone walks into the room and sees a dashboard with fish floating around, I'm sure it's going to grab his attention. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.